How can you add footnotes to your Google documents? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can add footnotes to your Google documents. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see on my Google document over here, I have a sample which is an excerpt from The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. Now if I were to add a footnote to any of the points over here, what I need to do first is go to the point where I want to add the footnote, and after I've clicked on it, then go to the insert option available on the top. And once you click on it, you will be able to see that there's an option there called footnote. You can also press Ctrl, Alt and F in order to open the footnote option. So simply click on it and then you'll be able to add the footnote. And after you've added it, you can go back and then you'll be able to see that the footnote has been saved. Also, you can see this is footnote number 1. Now, if I were to add footnote number 2, it will have the 2 numerical available over there. And if I delete the first footnote, the second one will be immediately known as footnote number 1. And there you go. That is how you can add footnotes to your Google documents. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.